everyone, and welcome to another episode of the McJoe Show, also known as Get Your Cook On with Teresa and Scott. This is our first video for a couple of weeks. We've been on quite a strict diet, so all the sweet treats and the bakes and the cakes and things are currently sidelined. Today's recipe is keto friendly recipe, and today we will be baking
courgette bolts with Parmesan crisps. We've got our ingredients ready. So for our Parmesan crisps, we've got our Parmesan, our chia seeds and our pumpkin seeds. And then for our courgette bolts, we've got some mozzarella cheese, some chopped tomatoes, our courgettes, some garlic, some olive oil and some baby spinach and pumpkin. So we're just going to take our courgettes and we're going to slice them lengthways. And then we're going to scrape out the seeds, but we're not going to throw the seeds away because we're going to use them later.
So we've got half the olive oil in a frying pan. We've just got it warmed up a little bit, and the garlic cloves have been sliced. They go in there. Just fry them off for a little bit until they start to go brown. Not too brown, you don't want to burn your garlic, it goes really bitter. So that's the garlic started to brown off now. Add into that your leaves. We're using spinach, rocket and watercress. And add in the seeds that you took out of the zucchini earlier, or courgette I should say, sorry. And just fry that down. You can wilt the leaves and just get everything warm and soft. And then give it a good season with salt and pepper.
So we're just going to fill our courgette bolts. So we're just going to take our tomatoes and fill each one. And next we're going to get our fried baby spinach and garlic, and we're going to top the courgette with that. Okay, and then lastly we're just going to top them with our mozzarella. So we're just going to drizzle with a little bit of olive oil and then pop them into the oven while we make our Parmesan crisps.
So that's the bolts in the oven. The next stage is to start making the Parmesan crisps. So take the Parmesan and grate it all. Once you've grated all the cheese, add in the pumpkin seeds and chia seeds and just mix that all through together. Once it's all combined, spoon it onto a parchment lined baking tray in mounds, don't flatten them out. So these are the Parmesan crisps. They've had 8 minutes in the oven and they've had a bit of cooling down time as well, and they have crispened up nicely. A bit of confusion earlier with the times for or when you put things in the oven. So these were in first. They had their 8 minutes, and then the courgette bolts went in and they also had 8 minutes while the crisps cooled. So not both together like I said earlier, sorry about that. Now all that's left is to plate up. Have a couple of bolts on each plate and a few crisps on the side and a bit more salt and pepper on top there. Right everyone, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. That's our first attempt at a healthy keto vegetarian recipe on YouTube. I'm not going to lie, it might be the last. It might be sugar, fat and chocolate next time, but
All the good stuff.
all the good stuff. But at least we've done that. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah!
Parmesan crisps, we've got some Parmesan, some chia seeds and some pumpkin seeds. Was it pumpkin seeds? Yeah, it was pumpkin seeds. Okay, so we've got our ingredients ready. So for our Parmesan...
Yo, bro, I love zucchinis.
You got this.